the gangs that are terrorizing the people, they're carrying weapons that are not made in Haiti, ammunitions that are not made in Haiti, using drones that are not made in Haiti. And those kind of weapons are extremely expensive. Even when you look at those who are carrying them, they obviously don't have the means.
No,
So according to, I'm sorry, go ahead.
they can't even carry it. It's too strong for them.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the price for these things are exorbitant. They don't have it. It's like over 900, over $1,000, and you look at the ones who are carrying it, it's it's ridiculous. And according to United Nations Security Council, at one point they have a report stated that most of the weapons that are now in the Caribbean came out from the south of Miami.